got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really cold.
At this point, I've been showing y'all so many different glueless, ready-to-wear wigs from different brands. If you don't have one of these, girl, this is the new wave right here. A wig that you don't have to glue down, that's so easy to apply. They have it in so many different textures. I think my fave texture in this wig style is definitely straight. It's so low maintenance. You really don't have to do much with the hair. So this is another completely glueless wig install. And today's wig is from BGMGirl Hair. This is my first time trying a wig from this hair company, and I am loving this straight ready to wear wig. It does come with the lace pre-cut. It is a 4x6 HD lace closure. It blends in so great with my skin. It has pre-bleached knots. The hairline is already plucked. You don't need to wear baby hairs with this wig. You don't need any glue, tape, adhesive, nothing, baby. The wig came pretty much silky straight. This is the hair straight out of the box, y'all. Don't have to wash it or anything unless you just want to. It's really nice to have a wig that looks amazing straight out of the box, and you don't have to do much at all to apply it, and it's completely glueless, and you can take it on and off at night. This is my jam right here. If you're interested in checking out this wig, I will leave a link down below to BGMGirl Hair, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. And if you would like to see how I installed this wig today completely glueless, y'all know what to do. Definitely stay tuned.
Fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. 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 But you ain't even flexing.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby, won't you?
So this wig is 24 inches long, but it literally hits my butt. So yeah, you are definitely getting your length with this wig. As you can see, it was super easy to install this wig. The lace looks really nice. It blends in flawlessly with my skin tone. The only thing that I did that I didn't show y'all is I applied a little bit of foundation under the lace just so that it would match my skin tone. That's something that you can easily do to make sure that that lace blends in perfectly for a completely glueless install like this one. If you're a little bit scared about glueless wigs, go ahead and get a wig grip. I have one underneath. I'm using a silicone wig grip and it just reassures me that my wig is not going anywhere. It's stuck to my head. I hope that y'all have been enjoying these glueless wig installs. If you are, definitely give your girl a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this install in the comment section down below. If you have any requests for textures that I haven't reviewed yet in this wig style, or just any sort of wig in general that you see I haven't reviewed that you're like, sis, I want to know what this looks like on you before I spend my money on it, let me know in the comment section down below and I will catch y'all in my next video. But before you go, make sure you check out my last one, baby. Go ahead, click the box right here.